Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel where I show you practical ways to grow your business for free. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to get an professional business email like your name at the rate yourcompany.com. So completely, this is a completely free in 2025. So we will set it up together and I will show you exactly what to click, how to connect your domain, verify it, set up the mail server, and even check your new business email inside Gmail if you want to. So if you are ready, grab a coffee and follow along. Let's do it this. So first of all, what you will need to start the process. So before we start, here's of what we will need. Like number one, you must have a domain name. This could be anything like your name.com or your company name.com, whatever, or any other domain you own. If you don't have one yet, open a new tab and buy one from Google Domains or Namecheap or any other register. They usually cost around $10 to $15 per year. And the number two, we will use free plan from Zoho Mail, which lets you create up to 5 custom email accounts for free. So let's get Zoho Mail ready first. So here, first of all, we just need to be signed up for Zoho Mail. Here, as you can see, the link is zoho.com/mail. This is the important one. So however, you can see their pricing over here, and scroll down until you see forever free plan. So let's scroll down. So here you will find out this is the forever free plan. So I just want to use this one. Just click over here, try now. These plans give you up to 5 users each with 5 gigabytes of storage. It is perfect for freelancer, startup, or small businesses. Just click to the sign up. I already have an account, but you will get something like sign up under the free plan. Then here, let me give you the whole things. Let's search for Zoho business mails, and then actually I will get the main thing. Here I will just click over here. Once I click over here, it will landed me here, and here you just need to be click to the pricing, and then actually you just need to be scroll down until you find out these options called forever free plan, and just click to the sign up now. And actually here you will see the main things that they're asking for: name, email, phone number, and then you just need to be create a password. And just once you done, just click to the sign up, and now check your inbox and confirm your email address is Joe ask you to. But I already have an account, that's why I already get an here. So now you just need to be check your inbox and then confirm email address, and then you are ready to good to go. So now we are going to add our domain over that place. So I already mentioned that you can purchase domain from Namecheap. Here this platform is really great. Then you have Google Domains also. Let's search for Google Domains. From that place you can easily purchase your domains for yourself. So here you can see about the Squarespace purchase of Google Domains. Network Google enter into a definitive. Okay, that's great. Okay, so I am going to search my name domain. Let's search for my him, and here actually you will find out domain as you want. Like it could be a company name, it could be your own name, whatever you would go, you are allowed to go with this one. And here you can see this, these are the really high pricing. Then we have this Mahim.pro. This is really cheap, you can go with this one. That's really amazing. So once you inside your Zoho Mail, as you can see it, we are inside in the Zoho Mail dashboard. You will see an options to add domain. You just need to be click over here, add domain, or you, if you don't have any domain, you just need to click over here, buy now. Let's click to the buy now, and let's see what will happen. So here, find the ideal domain name for your business. So I am running an e-commerce who sells babe. Let's see, let's search for babe, and let's hit enter. And actually here you will get couple of options. So here you can see pet.take, babes.online. So you can purchase anything. Let's select this one, and then actually you will get the option of this domain is already taken, not available. So this domain is not available. So here I will click this one, and let's see is it really available or not. So actually here you can see this one is available for registration. So you just need to be keep your registration information private and just click to this process. Once you click to the process, then it will tell you to provide your whole address. Then you just need to make payment in the third step, and then into the fourth step you are able to registration, like you will get your registration status. So this is the easiest way to buy a domain from Zoho Mail. Also, if you have an existing domain, you just need to be click over here add now. Then here you just need to be provide your domain name. Then you just need to be provide your organized name, like type your domain name, for example yourcompany.com. then click to the add. Zoho needs to know that you really own the domain. So next we will verify that you own it. Like let's click to this one. Like I am going to give a name that will be mahim.pro. organization name, provide your organization name. Industry type, this is they are telling us to industry. I will go with this one, and then click to the add now. And now actually they will verify the things is really we own this one. Congratulations, added successfully. We just need to be prove your own this verification. So I already mentioned, so I don't own this domain yet, so it is really quite hard for me to verify the domain. But let me tell you the step Zoho will like process to domain verification. Here you can see that Zoho will show you text record. As you can see this one, this is a tiny piece of text that you will need to add your domain's DNS record. So just copy this one, let's click this one and then paste it here. This is the text we need. Now open a new tab and log in to you where you bought your domain. For example, it could be Google Domains or Namecheap. Then find your domain and look for DNS setting. What actually DNS setting is? Let's search for DNS setting and let's hit enter. And here actually you can see how DNS settings really look. Okay, let's search for Namecheap and let's hit enter. So here actually you are able to see it. So let's open the image into the new tab. Okay, let's open. So here you actually see it. This is the Namecheap. So find your domain and look for the DNS setting or manage DNS. Then you just need to click to the add new record, or you can choose the custom DNS options. Then you just need to choose text, then paste the hostname and txt value exactly as Zoho shows. This one you just need to be paste it on that place. Usually the host or name is @ or blank. The value is what Zoho gave you. Save the record and go back to Zoho, and you just need to be click over here verify txt record. So sometimes it takes few minutes to update, so be patient. You can refresh the page every minute. So once verified you will see green check mark, and I can say that is a nice work. So now eventually you can create your first professional email address. So next Zoho will ask you to create your first user. This is your actual business email. For example, if your name is John, you might type John as the username, so your new email will be John, like this way. Let's search it here. This is now your name John. Then you will get something like this @ here company.com. This is will be get your business mail. You just need to be set a strong password for this account and click create. That's it, you have got your first professional business email. So I hope you love this video. You just need to be test it right now, and then once you find out that it is really working, then you can go ahead. So then, and I can say let's wrap up the video here, and that's it. Now you know how you can have a professional business email for free with your own domain name. If this video helped you out, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave comment if you would like a tutorial on setting up custom email on Outlook or your phone. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.